today, let's start with chapter number 6, programming languages. So in this chapter, we will study about programming languages. Computer have their own language, जिसे हम machine code कहते हैं, right? Which tells what to do. As you can see, it does not make lot of sense to humans. Each number of letter is telling the computer to change something in its memory. So this could be a number or a word or a little part of a picture or video. By themselves, computer don't know how to do anything. So it is the job of the programmer to give the instruction. तो ये job है programmer की कि वो क्या देगा, instruction देगा. So what is coding? Let's study about what is coding. So coding is the process of using a programming language to get a computer to behave how you want it to. So in this you may also hear coding referred to as software programming or computer programming. So these instructions are communicated using a language that computer can understand, like Visual Blocks, JavaScript, Python, HTML and CSS. So unlike people, computers will do exactly what you tell them. This might sound great, but it can cause problem. So if you tell a computer start counting upward and don't tell it to stop, तो वो count करता रहेगा जब तक आप उसको stop नहीं करोगे. So almost all of the technology we use today has been created with the computer program. Our apps, computer programs, video games, and even technology is our car relay upon coding. So United States, there are about 350 spoken languages. 350 spoken language hai, but coding has beat US with 700 coding language we use today. Next is benefits of learning coding. What are its benefits? First is computer programming helps students to build logical thinking. It enhances creativity. Programming teaches persistence. Then learning to code promotes problem solving. Coding enhance communication. Coding teaches math skill. Coding क्या teach करता है? आपकी maths वाली skills. Then what is programming? It is the process of developing an executable software. ये क्या है? एक process है जिससे हम executable software program को implement करते हैं without any errors. If the programmer job is to analyze the problem in the code and provide solution. Now with programming, you can almost do anything like programming robots helps the house code and even programming self-driven car like Tesla. Now we have programming versus coding. So the programming और coding की बात करें, programming is about developing full-fledged software. And what is coding? It is just taking a part of process. हम कुछ part ले रहे हैं programming का, process कर रहे हैं उसको. A set of specific tool need different tasks such as testing, debugging and others, and a simple text enough for coding and coders to do prefer, which had good themes in it. Then we have persons with the expertise in algorithm, problem modeling and project management. और जो पर्सन है वो उसको एक बेसिक नॉलेज होनी चाहिए प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की. देन वी हैव प्रॉपर प्लानिंग एंड टाइम मैनेजिंग एंड नॉन प्रीरिक्विजिट नीडेड टू गेट स्टार्ट. सो प्रोग्रामिंग एंड कोडिंग दे बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग efficient and potential software. None of them should be given more priority than other one. Both terms are interlinked. दोनों terms जो हैं वो interlinked होती हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, right? Then we have types of programming language. We have so many. Programming language क्या होता है? एक specific और एक coded language होती है जिसका हम use करते हैं to convey instruction to a machine. Like we have Scratch. ये एक free programming language है and online community where you can create your own interactive story. आप अपने stories, अपने games, अपने animation को क्या कर सकते हो? Create कर सकते हो. Then we have Python. It is a programming language that sounds and reads like spoken English. Python code that is structured well enough appears as if comments are already contained in the code. ठीक है? अगर comments अपने already contained है, then we have Ruby, a powerful language that was first used to develop Twitter. ठीक है? ये demonstrate करता right way कि आपकी जो utility है major sites की आप उसको कैसे utilize कर सकते हो. Then we have Java, सबसे popular programming language है जिनका हम use करते हैं. It has been around almost 2 decades and there are numerous online tools. Like we have toolkits and courses that can be used to build nearly anything from the bottom. Next is CCC. It is general purpose programming language. that can be used to create small programs or large application. It is one of the most widely used programming language. In game development, it has been used to create games such as World of Warcraft, Counter-Strike, and Star. Game engines like Unreal Engine, gaming console, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch. Then we have natural language, which is called fifth generation language. ठीक है, इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ क्वारी लैंग्वेज, जिसमें हम क्वारी करते हैं, वो अपनी रिक्वेस्ट डालता है, उसको ह्यूमन स्पीच में रिजेंबल करता है, और वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा, वो डेवलपमेंट हो. जो नेचुरल लैंग्वेज और आर्टिफिशियल लैंग्वेज होती है वो 5 जनरेशन लैंग्वेज का यूज करते हैं. जैसे आपकी मार्करी हो गई, आपकी प्रोलॉग हो गई, OPS 5 हो गई, ये क्या है आपके 5th जनरेशन लैंग्वेजेस. Right? Now we have completed the chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.